Good morning and welcome back. Today, it is the weekend before, it's the weekend of Memorial Day weekend. It's Memorial Day weekend. That's what it is. That's what it is. Today is Friday. I just got back from the store. It is bright and early. It is 8:30 in the morning. Already been showered. Done a little bit of dishes that I had done. Got the pool plugged in. I gotta tell you, they delivered water yesterday. I was so proud of myself because we have worked really diligently on that pool. She wants a treat, but not right now. But we've worked diligently on it. We had it almost clear. Almost clear. Almost clear. Coffee's cold already. Almost clear. I went 2 days. We could not use the pump on it until we had the water delivered, which was yesterday. And I went back out yesterday when they brought the water in. The water was a nice, pretty green color. So, you know, I like green. I have nothing against green. Got my husband's green t-shirt on today. I'm chilling today. So, we got the pump plugged in. Double shocked it, went out there and looked at, let the pump run all night. It's running again today. I went out there to feed the barn cats and looked at the water, and it is a lighter shade of green. So we're making progress, I'll take you out there later on and show it to you. I never did show you my garden, did I? Something's going on with it. I'm not sure what, but I'll have to look it up. Anyway, just got back from the store, and let me tell you, I wanted to get there early, because they have they had corn on the cob. They had sweet bicolored corn on the cob posted in their ad for 2 for $1 in the husk. So I'm like, I gotta get there when the store opens, because if I don't, somebody else will go in there and get all that corn, and I will be like really, really mad. I spent $200. Didn't get a lot, but you know what? I think the lady at the register, she's really super sweet. I'm not sure if she follows me or not, but I think she gave me a senior citizen discount. And you know what? I'm not mad if she did. I'm old. I'm old. Am I senior citizen discount age? No. But will I take that discount if she did? Yes. So it's kind of a, you know, I'm not mad at you type thing. Anyway, let me show you what I got. Today I'm going to be cooking, because we're cooking out tomorrow, because I work Sunday. I picked up Sunday night. The holiday night. I work nights, y'all know that. And if you don't know what I do for a living, I work as a nurse. I pretend to be a nurse on night shift, and I'm telling you, I'm about ready to switch to days again, because that night shift like really kicks my butt. No joke. But anyway, let me tell you what I'm doing today. I forgot my thought. I'm going to be cooking today. For tomorrow, I'm making potato salad, baked beans, what else? Hamburgers, hot dogs, and I'm going to make a pasta salad, but I'm not making a homemade pasta salad. I'm going to show you in just a second what my husband's favorite pasta salad is. And his birthday is coming up. It's Memorial Day weekend for us is the celebration of his birthday and Memorial Day at the same time. So I figured, you know, I'd make him feel special and buy his favorite pasta. Boots, you're going to have to hold off. But making pasta salad, baked beans, potato salad, hamburgers, hot dogs, my chocolate cake, famous chocolate cake. If you haven't made that, you need to make it. The recipe's already on here. So is my potato salad, so is my baked beans. I don't know. And my sister is bringing green beans and potatoes. And she's making a banana split cake, which is really good. What else? My other sister is making some coleslaw. And she's bringing some tea. And what else? I told her to bring a dessert, because we need another dessert. Then we have, I'm expecting probably between 20, around 25 people to be here. So it's going to be a lot of people. So we're going to need a lot of food. My son Brandon is making pulled pork, and he's making his greens. He cannot step in his house for any type of meal, whatever it is, when we're cooking all together without bringing his greens, because we probably wouldn't let him in. He makes some amazing greens. He makes amazing everything. But anyway, let me show you what I got. I'm rambling on here because I stopped at McDonald's and got me coffee, and I got me a sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit because I figured I better eat something before I get started cooking. All right, everything is a mess in my house. So I got to clean as well today. I got a big pack of hamburger. I've got hamburger in the freezer that I laid out that I'm going to use instead of that. And I'm just going to replace it with that hamburger there. I got some bacon to go on my baked beans. They had their Conn's hot dogs 2 for $4. I got 3 packs. These are the paper plates that I like to use at cookouts because they have, you know, when the whole family comes over, because they have divided sections. Olivia hates those. Olivia hates those paper plates. And I got some regular ones. This is the pasta salad that my husband loves. It's the Bacon Ranch Suddenly Salad Pasta Salad. And you know what? I got some throw-in ideas for this. I'm not going to do it today. And I'm not going to tell you what it is. I'll do a video of that. Maybe a couple recipes on some throw-ins of these Suddenly pasta salad sides that I think you're really going to like. I got some butter, some cheese. This is the only cheese that I use. Some cream cheese, some vinegar, some... oh, I hope that's buttermilk. Buttermilk to go on my cake, some relish, some dill chips, some sugar, some flour. Got 2 pans back there. One I'm going to make my baked beans in, and the other I'm going to put my potato salad in because I'm not wanting to wash a lot of dishes. Garlic salt, plenty of beans for baked beans. Some coffee. Mayonnaise. On sale for almost $7. Somebody needs to be in trouble over that. Got some red wine vinegar for some cucumbers that I have over here that I'm going to slice up with some onions and make my red wine vinegar. Cucumbers are so good. Couple tomatoes. Listen at me. Got some Hershey's Cocoa for my cake. Some ketchup, mustard, foil, Comet. Lots of buns. Corn on the cob. This is why I went early to get corn on the cob. I want you to look how good this looks. Look at that. Now that is some good looking corn, guys. I bought 14 ears of that. 2 bags of chips back there. Mike sells. I bought our favorite, green onion and smoked bacon. Brandon loves smoked bacon. My son loves smoked bacon. 3 of the cucumbers. Some celery. 2 bags of potatoes for my potato salad. I'm going to make a ton of it, and I already showed you the rolls. $200 on that little bit, but that's all right. It's going to feed an army. It's going to feed an army. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on getting my stuff cooked, get my potato salad on. It's always better if you make it the day before. You cannot make potato salad the same day that you plan on eating it. You just cannot do it. Don't do it. If you're thinking, why is my potato salad never that good? Don't make it the day that you're going to consume it, because you have to make it the day before. Everything will just marry together. That's what makes it good, when it marries together. So I'm going to get started on my potato salad. I am going to make my baked beans today. I'm going to make my cake today. And I'm going to clean. I'm going to clean. That's what I'm going to do. First, I'm going to have a little breakfast. This is why you check before you go to the grocery store what you need. 1, 2, that's a big bag. 2.5, almost 3, 4. I got 4 bags of potatoes. I don't need 4 bags of potatoes. Now, if you've never made potato salad before, what you do is you cook your potatoes until they're nice and fork tender. Ooh, this bowl may not be big enough to mix everything. I guess we'll see. I just hope it is. Just a fork tender, and you want to make sure that you cool your potatoes off. You need to run them under a little bit of cold water until they're nice and cool. They're no longer hot. You don't want to make potato salad with your potatoes hot. Same thing for pasta salad. Let me show you what I add to mine. I add onions. This is a lot of onions. But if I don't use them all, this is a large onion, then I'll just put the rest of it in my baked beans. And then celery. Use those leaves. Just kind of eyeball it. Make sure that I get all the leaf parts in there. Use a little bit more onions. Celery seed. It gives it that nice little celery crunch as well. And this is about I think that's about 5 pounds of potatoes. Probably about 4, maybe 4. I'm gonna use some onion salt. Let's use the opened onion salt. I'm really bad about buying new spices and opening them. Even though I already have regular, I already have one open, not regular, but Aunt Jane's crazy mixed up salt. Should be in every grocer's seasoning aisle. This is the game changer. Quite a bit of that. Lots of mayonnaise, especially since this is such a big bowl of potato salad. I like my potato salad creamy. I don't like dry potato salad. No dry potato salad. Some mustard. Some black pepper. I need to turn that down. Those are a little big. Those chunks are. Some dill relish. If you want to use, not dill. This is sweet relish. Oh God, I got mayonnaise on it. I use that. Well, you know, honestly, after I use it, I only bought this bigger one because it was on sale, and I probably won't even use this before it goes bad. Well, I don't know. 4th of July is coming up. What am I missing? Oh, some eggs. I'll put those in shortly. But this is basically my recipe. It was my mom's recipe for potato salad. It's already on here. I've made it a million times on here for you guys. But you know what? I got new subscribers, new followers on Facebook. So now you won't have to go search for the recipe. This is so good. I'm going to put boiled eggs in it as well. Some people don't put boiled eggs in their potato salad, but I tell you, I've never had it without them. And I'll never make it without them. And I can usually tell by the looks of it if I've got enough mustard in there. Because it has a little bit of a yellowish tint. Not real yellow, but and just combine everything. And then we're just gonna dice our eggs up. You don't have to worry about, you know, getting them the right size because they'll break up when you get in there. Start stirring it. This is just what I like to use in mine. Like I said, it's what Mom always made. And she made some of the best potato salad, I'm telling you. I'm gonna go ahead and put another squirt of mustard in there because, like I said, I can tell just by looking at it that it needs some more mustard. Probably should use another spoon. That's probably gonna be enough eggs. Got one more sitting here. I might just throw it in there. Sometimes I cut it up on top just to make it look pretty. And then sometimes I'll just eat it. Look at that. It's enough to feed an army. All right, I like to buy these foil platters, dishes, whatever you want to call them. You know what? Is this going to be too? That might be too big for this. I can't find any of my bowls. Nicholas Franks. That's my son. When he takes food home, I always tell him to bring my bowls back. And guess what? I never get them back. But that's alright. I'm just giving him a hard time. Just because he made a comment the other day when Olivia was over here. Oh, you know, that's a... might be too big for that. I could use that for something else. I can't remember what he said, but it was so funny. He, I think she might have been taking something home, and he's like, you better make sure you bring your bowl back. I said, kid, not like you ever do. Does your kids do that? You send them home with stuff, and they don't bring your bowls back. That's all right. I don't mind. All right, I'm going to spread this out. Well, you don't have to spread it out, but I'll fluff it up a little bit. I could have probably used that for something else because that pan was a little too big. All right, cook's treat. That spoon, I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit more of this right on top. Now, if you wanted to, you could put some paprika on top, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. Look at that. How good that looks. I'm just gonna put some foil on it and put it in the refrigerator. Oh, that looks fine.
It just, because instead of pulling it, I was lazy and I mashed it with a potato masher too.
The one we went to for Christmas, she's making an answer.
It worked really well.
I would kick the park. No, you didn't. You just used a potato masher. You're lying. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Baked beans. Look at all the corn. I got some fresh corn on top. It's bicolored.
How much did you have to pay for that, Sandy?
It was 2 for $1 at Super Value. Can you believe that? Look, greens. Brandon makes the best greens.
I saw some already.
Green beans and potatoes.
To sign a disclosure. Huh? Hi, Reggie. For the day.
Sorry, you got to get used to this. I'm famous, you know.
And then she,
It's always no.
Oh, look at that. It's amazing.
What are you doing with that?
His garden, he says his garden and keep the dogs out of it. I got right in, but the cucumbers grew right up it and they were so easy to control. And
Nick brought his lunchbox.
he put a fence in there.
I think it's genius. Because anytime I get any of those, like when I get food delivered or whatever, I put them in my drawer.
They are really good.
Charlie.
Charlie does everything. They turned out really good this time.
No, they didn't.
Stop
lying. You sounded just like me.
Oh shit.
Is it hot?
No, I'm not walking.
My birthday cookout.
They opened it
So I'm
up.
gonna get back to you.
Huh? Look at that. Oh, I made my cucumbers and onions too.
Good, because you ain't got them.
Pretty sure every one of those video recipes are already uploaded on here to my YouTube channel, so make sure that you go check them out if you want the recipe for all of them. They are absolutely amazing. You're really going to like them. You know, there's more, so much more summer to come, so you're going to have more opportunities to make all these yummy recipes. I'm telling you, the cake, they're all good. They're all good, but you got to make that cake. You got to make that cake. Holidays are definitely for gathering with your loved ones. I had a great time. I think everybody else had a great time too. I hope you enjoyed this video. You know I love you guys very much. I appreciate you, and I'll see you on the next episode of Adventure with Sandy. Bye-bye. Take care.